Hi guys, Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom on YouTube, helping you at home make money online. Okay, so 10 reasons why affiliate marketers fail. I haven't got time. Haha, really? I haven't got time. Have you got 30 minutes? Anyway, hit the like button, hit the notifications button, and smash that like bell. I got that wrong. Then you will get notified as and when I give these top tips out. Right, I haven't got time to do an online business. I come in from work at 7 o'clock, have my tea, put the kids to bed, 8:30, I'm knackered, I don't want to do anything. All I want to do is watch a film and spend some time with my wife and just stay in my comfort zone. Excuse me, I made to be a bit in your face. Surely you've got 30 minutes. Have you got 30 minutes? I think you have. And I'm now going to tell you what you're going to do in those 30 minutes to make money online like a pro. Right. You're on Facebook, or you're on Instagram, or you're on LinkedIn or Pinterest or whatever. Comment for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes. Comment for 10 minutes. Put the timer on. You've done it. Then you go, hey, I'm on the way. You could do 15, you could do 20, who knows? Find, add, message. Go into a great Facebook group in your niche that's got lots of comments and observations. Add some people that you like the look of, not the ones with the baby photos everywhere, the ones that look like that you want to get to know them. People who are motivational and give value are the ones that you want. So you find at least 10 a day, add them and message them. And what do you say? Do you say, hey Gemma, I've got this brilliant thing, it's just landed on my desk and you've got to join because it's going to make us $1 million in 3 minutes. No. You are going to say, hi Gemma, where do you live? Hi Gemma, I like that post you did in the group on motivation. I'd like to get to know you. What do you do? Right, so that's, we've done that one. Okay, then, so 10 more minutes and you can watch your film. Ask, and you shall receive. Ask them, find out if they're open to take, if they're open, if they're struggling with anything. If they're not struggling with anything, you can't really ask them if, well, you can ask them if they're open to something else alongside what you do, if it helps you reach your goals quicker. But you need to ask the right questions and you need to find what they're struggling with. And if they're struggling with something, guess what? You or your products, because you know more than one or two or three, you or one of your products can help them in their quest. It could be a tool, it could be a training course, it could be just referring them to a program that they like, because I've done that before. Now I don't do makeup, so I just referred her to Adele and she got a new team member because I'm not really interested in promoting makeup. So it's called networking. Get to know people and then they become friends and then they become family. So daily method of operation is 30 minutes after work is all you need. I challenge you guys to do that. Take control of your life. Take control. Take action. Even if you don't feel like it, if you do one like 10 minutes, you're on a roll. Because if you can do one, you can do two. If you can do two, you can do three. And it could become 20 minutes or half an hour. And by that time, you could have got like three recruits. I make it sound so easy, don't I? Okay, guys, that's it for today. Is affiliate marketing a scam? I don't think so. So, if you want to learn what I'm doing to have a full-time income, click the link below. If you haven't already liked, subscribed and hit the notifications bell, please do so. And don't forget to tell me what country you're from. Then I can find top tips. I'm on the quest to find top tips for all the countries worldwide so you can make money online from your own home. Okay, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.